I don't know how that happened. That's not a mistake. She's alive.
Well, is Maryland's Medicaid system making an alarming error? A Dundalk family claims the state mistakenly declared their loved one dead, cutting off her health coverage.
Fox 45's Rebecca Pryor is live with their story as they fight for some answers. Rebecca.
Mary and Maxine, the family tells me that their loved one is very much still alive, and yet proving that to the state has been quite the challenge.
As a winter storm swept through Maryland, one Dundalk family stunned to receive chilling news from the state.
I'm beyond angry. It shouldn't be happening.
Jessica Bafidis is a caretaker for her 87-year-old grandma, Patsy Baltner, who was recently diagnosed with Lewy body dementia, an already difficult disease to manage, made worse when her Medicaid coverage was suddenly cut off, forcing them to pay out of pocket for prescriptions and doctor's appointments.
And the reason, when you scroll down, is that she had been deceased. She's still here. She's still alive. And we're fighting for that. So please don't tell us she's dead.
When they called to correct the mistake, Jessica says to prove Patsy was still alive, the family was told they needed to physically bring her in.
She can barely get around on a normal day, and it will look like Elsa's snowcastle outside.
The family suspects the error is connected to the death of Patsy's husband, which occurred on December 19th, the same day Patsy's coverage was cut off. They say the state also asked them to provide his death certificate, which hasn't yet been issued. After weeks filled with back and forth phone calls, the family claims that they were told that the error would finally be fixed, but days later, Patsy's coverage still not restored.
Extremely frustrating. We want to be able to focus on my grandmother. We want to be able to focus on being able to spend time with her for the time that she does have.
What are your thoughts on how the state is handling all of this, especially considering the urgency of the situation for you?
This should have been fixed the day that we made the phone call. And it should have been done right then, right there, without the ridiculous demands. Our elderly are our priority. And do better.
Now, this afternoon, I reached out to the Department of Human Services. I just checked my email, and about 10 minutes ago, they did get back to me, acknowledging their error and saying that Patsy's coverage has since been restored. However, they didn't respond to my questions asking how this happened and what safeguards are being put in place to prevent it from happening again. Reporting live in Baltimore City, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
Hi, I'm Maxine Stryker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and check out Fox Baltimore on social media to find more stories like this.